The government doesn't want you to know this secret truth. Humanity's greatest leap profoundly changed our global culture forever. The 1960s were a time of intense global tension and innovation. Nations raced for dominance, even extending into the cosmos. But one mission transcended geopolitical rivalry and national borders. Apollo 11 aimed to land humans on the moon, a daring feat. This incredible endeavor captured the entire planet's collective imagination. Its cultural echoes resonate through society even today. On July 20, 1969, a historic moment unfolded before billions. Neil Armstrong stepped onto the lunar surface, uttering famous words. Buzz Aldrin soon followed, creating an indelible visual image. Michael Collins orbited above, ensuring their safe return home. Over 600 million people watched this live television broadcast. It was the largest televised event in human history then. People worldwide paused, united by this shared, awe-inspiring achievement. For a brief moment, humanity celebrated a singular, collective victory. This event fostered an unprecedented sense of global community. The moon landing ignited immense creativity across all art forms. David Bowie released Space Oddity just days before launch. Its themes of isolation and exploration perfectly captured the mood. Stanley Kubrick's 2001, A Space Odyssey had already set the stage. Films and television shows embraced futuristic, space-age aesthetics. Architects designed buildings with sleek, aerodynamic, innovative shapes. Fashion runways showcased metallic fabrics and bold, geometric patterns. Literature explored new frontiers of science fiction and human potential. Children's toys, comics, and cartoons celebrated astronauts and rockets. The moon became a powerful symbol of ambition, wonder, and progress. Apollo 11 fundamentally reshaped humanity's perception of itself. It proved seemingly impossible dreams could genuinely become reality. The mission inspired countless young minds towards science and engineering.
It became a powerful symbol of human ingenuity and perseverance.
The moon landing demonstrated the power of international collaboration. Even amidst Cold War tensions, shared goals prevailed successfully. It instilled a sense of optimism about our collective future. The event continues to influence modern pop culture narratives. From movies like First Man to video games, its spirit lives. Apollo 11 remains a testament to what humanity can achieve. It reminds us of our boundless potential and shared destiny. The moon still beckons, a constant reminder of that epic journey. Apollo 11 was more than just a scientific triumph. It was a profound cultural moment, defining an entire era. Its legacy reshaped our collective imagination and aspirations forever. This human achievement continues to inspire new generations daily. Its legacy reshaped our collective imagination and aspirations forever. Want to learn more? Subscribe and join our community.